got this question that says, can you run QuickBooks Online on dark mode? Yeah, it's a good question. Yeah, so there's actually a fairly new feature inside QuickBooks Labs that allows you to change the theme of QuickBooks, and dark mode is actually the first theme that they introduced to this new feature. So I'm going to click on the gear menu on the top right of the screen, and then we're going to go into where it says QuickBooks Labs. And depending on when you watch that video, you might not need to go into QuickBooks Labs first, and your themes option might already be completely available. But as of the time I'm recording it, I have to turn it on in Labs first. So I'm going to turn on this thing called QuickBooks Themes, and then I'm going to click on so that will turn on that lab or that plugin or whatever. And then I click on done. And then once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and refresh my screen so QuickBooks now knows that it has this new plugin or this new lab or whatever. And then here in the gear menu again, there's a button that says themes. Again, they might change the name of this later, and this is as of the date of this video. And then the only thing they have now is now this one called dark mode. So I'm going to go ahead and click on, and everything in QuickBooks goes dark, right? So if I go and produce an invoice, and let's go ahead and create a new invoice, click on new invoice, and everything is sort of dark, high contrast in here. So it's kind of your preference, right? So if you are wanting to work on dark mode, you can do that. You know, this first iteration that I'm working with, which is towards the end of September of 2020, it's not usable yet. Honestly, like I do see how some people will need dark mode, and you kind of see me play with it as we go, because I use dark mode in my Mac. But you know, I'm sure some people need high contrast or whatever, but it's a good first attempt, and now you know how to do it, and you can turn it on and off as you please. I'm going to go back here to themes and turn it off because it's freaking me out. But that's how you do it. And hopefully later on, they'll add more themes that maybe change the whole font size or the whole color scheme, or maybe rearrange things. Who knows? I mean, this whole QuickBooks themes here is pretty neat. So for now, this is dark mode, and hopefully in the future, there'll be more themes that make a bit more sense than this one. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click on that notification bell so you'll know when I post a new video. Remember, when you subscribe, I can monetize, and it supports the channel financially. Thanks.